Zeropark's campaign edit view, you can find many filtering options that will help you target specific users. So even though targeting specific users often narrow down your volume of traffic available and increase your cost per view, there are still two types of filters available that will help you with your campaign. So the first filter is going to be your frequency filter. So setting the frequency filter allows you to control how often your ad will be displayed to the same visitor. So keep in mind that this setting is a frequency cap. And then next you have adult filtering. So this filter determines the type of traffic that goes to your offer, not the offer itself. So you can send adult traffic to mainstream offers, but you can't send mainstream traffic to adult offers, or you will literally get